our government is providing $1.75 million over 3 years to the United Way Calgary and Area's Social Impact Lab as part of our Creative Partnerships Alberta initiative.
The Minister of Culture and Status of Women, Ron Orr, says the nonprofit sector is a major economic driver in Alberta.
The nonprofit sector employs 270-some thousand Albertans, contributes 5.1 billion in GDP, and so from lifting people out of poverty to providing opportunity to connect with others, nonprofits are improving the lives of Albertans at every level.
The Executive Director of the United Way of Lethbridge in southwestern Alberta, Janelle Marietta, says the organization will also be installing a social impact lab here in our city.
It's not necessarily a physical space. We'll do a lot of the work online. It really comes down to what social issues we're working on at that time and who needs to be at the table.
The labs will teach innovation and design thinking practices using Western and Indigenous methodology.
The Indigenous lens is so important and so vital to creating solutions in our community and recognizing the importance of the wisdom coming from elders in the Indigenous community as well. So that's a huge component of this work and the projects that we're working on, to have that lens, to have that expertise and that insight from elders to guide the discussions and to guide how we solve some of these issues together.
The United Way of Calgary will also provide funding to scale out to smaller communities by working with the United Way of Lethbridge and southwestern Alberta and the United Way of Edmonton. The actual dollar amount is currently a work in progress. For Bridge City News, I'm Micah Quinn.